I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mario Golf. To start, select your character from a roster of over 10 unique options, each with different strengths. Then, pick one of several vibrant courses, ranging from easy to challenging. We will cover the fundamental controls, how to execute a powerful swing, and essential strategies to improve your game. Get ready to hit the links and master your golf skills. The core of Mario Golf is the 3-press swing system. First, press the A button to start the power meter moving. Second, press it again to stop the meter at your desired power level, aiming for 100% for maximum distance. Third, press a one final time to hit the ball accurately. Timing this third press perfectly in the sweet spot ensures a straight, powerful shot, sending your ball soaring towards the green. Strategic play is crucial for success on the course. Always choose the appropriate club, from a driver for long shots to a wedge for short approaches. Utilize shot types like topspin to make the ball roll further or backspin to stop it quickly. Pay close attention to the wind, which can significantly alter your ball's trajectory. Steer clear of hazards such as sand traps and water, as they add penalty strokes. Once on the green, putting requires precision and a keen eye. Observe the grid lines to understand the green's slope and how the ball will break. Adjust your putting power carefully, a light tap for short putts and a firmer stroke for longer distances. The goal is to get the ball into the hole in the fewest possible strokes. Remember, the player with the lowest overall score at the end of 18 holes is the champion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.